Hi everyone, this is Shivangi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's class, we are going to learn 10 phrasal verbs that are very important, that are very useful for us if we want to communicate in English. So this video is meant for all those people who want to speak in English. So let's get started. Before we start this video, I want you to subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever I'll upload a new video. So I am going to start with you the phrasal verbs. I am going to explain you the meaning of those ones even in Hindi also, and I am also going to give you that how to use that phrasal verbs in sentences. So do watch this video till end. I am going to start with you now with first phrasal verb. The first one which I am going to teach you today is get back. The meaning of this phrasal verb is to start. Shuru karo. You must have heard this phrasal verb if you are working in an office. So boss usually say get back to your work. Even in schools also teachers use this phrasal verb for the students. Once they want them to start their studies again, they usually say get back to class. So this is where you can use this phrasal verb get back, which is very useful, and this is used in our day-to-day life. The second phrasal verb which I have for you is cheer up. The meaning of cheer up is to make someone happy. Like if you want to make someone happy, you can use this phrasal verb cheer up. My friend, he talked to me over phone today and she was not sounding happy. I tried to cheer her up. This is how you can also use this phrasal verb whenever you need to make someone happy. The third phrasal verb which I have for you is pay for. This phrasal verb is used when we need to express something for a person who is going to regret upon. The meaning of this phrasal verb is if you feel like somebody is going to regret upon his action, in that situation, you can use this phrasal verb pay for. Like as an example, if I say the people in this COVID-19 situation, those who are leaving their homes without mask, they have to pay for it. I mean, they have to regret on it. This is how you can also use this phrasal verb in your day-to-day conversations. The fourth phrasal verb which I have for you is call off. The meaning of call off is to cancel. As an example, if I can say, I was about to attend a meeting, but it was called off due to this situation. So you can also use this phrasal verb whenever you need to speak something which is being cancelled. The fifth phrasal verb which I have for you is grow up. This phrasal verb we usually use when we feel somebody is behaving childish and we are not happy with his or her behavior. So we usually say that you have to grow up, only then you can understand. Or you can say that you have to grow up so that you can understand what I am saying. So this is a situation where you can use this phrasal verb. And this has been used many of the times by the people, those who feel they are more mature than anybody else. So the sixth phrasal verb which I have for you is look down upon. The meaning of this phrasal verb is to considering yourself superior and feeling that the person who is talking to you is inferior. The meaning of this phrasal verb, I am revising it. The meaning of this phrasal verb is to feeling yourself superior and thinking that the person who is talking to you is inferior. I always believe, as it happens, like the rich people, those who are having more luxuries, they usually look down upon others or the poor. But I suggest that we should never do this because time has great power. You never know what is going to happen with you in future. So we should never look down upon others. The seventh phrase I have for you is give up. Many of the times we see that the people, those who think that they want to learn English and after making efforts or even without making any efforts, they give up. The meaning of give up is to leave something. So I always suggest do not give up. Keep practicing. English is a language. It's not very difficult. Once you'll be practicing, you'll be able to grab that up. So you should never give up. The eighth phrase I have for you is come across. Come across means to meet people or to meet incidents throughout your life. This phrase is used a lot by people, those who communicate in English. Likewise, I can give you an example. I came across with many of the students from their different professions, because once you teach IELTS, you get number of professionals. So I came across many of the professionals throughout my life. I love teaching them. This is how you can also use about when you are talking about the incident or about the person. You can use this phrasal verb come across. So if you are using it in past, make sure you need to say came across, not come across. The ninth phrasal verb which I have for you is come up. The meaning of this phrasal verb is to bring. Like Lana, the meaning of this phrasal verb is bring. As an example, I would say who came up with this brilliant idea. If you like the idea of someone who has given to you, you can use this phrasal verb who came up with this idea. The 10th and the last phrasal verb of this class is bring it on. If you feel that you are willing to accept something, you are ready to challenge something, usually use this phrasal verb bring it on. So if you are interested or if you want me to make video of any of the topic, then I always say bring it on, because I love to make videos on English language. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe, because your likes motivate me to make more videos. Till then, bye-bye.